Veganuary, day 14. Today we're making lemon loaf. If you ever need a way to say you're thinking about someone and hoping they'll have a good day or at least a better day, this is the perfect thing to bring them. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a loaf pan. Combine 45 milliliters of chia seeds with 125 milliliters of water and let it sit for 10 minutes. Combine 250 milliliters of sugar and vegan sour cream. I'm using Earth Island. And whisk vigorously. Drizzle in 125 milliliters of vegetable oil while whisking. Add 30 milliliters of lemon zest and lemon extract. Whisk. Add the chia mixture to the wet ingredients and mix. Combine 375 milliliters of flour, 10 milliliters of baking powder, and 2 milliliters of salt, and stir into wet mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Turn batter out into the prepared pan, smoothing the top lightly with a spatula. Bake for 60 minutes until a knife inserted comes out clean. In a small bowl, add 250 milliliters of icing sugar and slowly drizzle in 45 milliliters of lemon juice while whisking. Allow the loaf to cool in the pan on top of a wire rack for at least 30 minutes before turning out onto rack to cool completely before glazing. Evenly drizzle glaze over bread before slicing and serving. Alright, let's cut into it. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Alright, let's try it. That's hot. That's hot. Okay, I was a bit impatient. I could have let that cool a little bit longer. That is awesome. Why did I take another bite?